Hey Audi fam, today I'm going to show you a few adjustments that you can make to your car, 5 adjustments to be precise. These are not included in the settings of your infotainment system. Most of cars don't have these settings, mine doesn't, but if yours does, that's fine. But if you want to see, I'm going to make those adjustments using audi 11. So the first thing you want to do is plug in your device into your car socket, then install the app for iPhone or Samsung. I mean iPhone or Android. Then once you get the app, you register and you're good to go. So this is what pops up. So you need to connect, and then you see the first on top audi 11. Click on this one and you wait for it to connect. So once it's connected, you can see the screen. You can scan for any issues. I'm not gonna do this now. I'm gonna go on the top left, the 3 arrows, then I'm gonna go car. So then you press apps. So the first adjustment I want to show you is you type interior light scenario. This is kind of cool. So what this does is determine which light to be active after doors are open. So mine is on active all lights, but what you can do is activate proper light. It means the light shines only the side of the door that is open. Okay, so whichever door is open, for example, I have 4 lights for each door. Then whichever door is open, you get just that light to shine, which is kind of cool. You know, it doesn't distract the driver, or in the nighttime it doesn't annoying anyone else. To activate this, you need to press on the green arrow at the bottom right, and you need to have also 10 credit as it says on the top right corner. I only have 5 credits, that's all right. So the second adjustment I want to show you is back on the main screen. Again, 3 arrows on the left, car, apps, and then you go search bar, and then you type key fob range limitation. So this allows you to, it's not active, okay, mine's not active, but if you activate it, it gives you range up to 100 feet, around 30 meters distance. You can lock or unlock your car. That means usually by default standard option is about 15 to 20 meters, which is, it's all right. But if you're quite far, sometimes you go in the parking that you can just walk quite a distance, and then you might have forgotten to lock the car, or you're not sure, you need more range. So you can activate that. Just press activate, and then the bottom corner, the green arrow, press it and hold it for a couple of seconds. It will show you an activate. You again need 10 credits for that. Once you get the app and once you install it, you can see how much of those credits. I think for £1 you get 10 credits, so that will cost you £1. The third adjustment I want to show you is, again, we're on the main screen, cars, apps, and you type turn, comfort turn signal. Okay, what that's give you, I have mine on 5. That means it allows you from 1 to 5 to pick how many times your indicator will tick. So I've got mine on 5, which is brilliant. The fourth adjustment I want to show you is, again, car, apps. You don't need to do this all the time. You can just stay in the adjustment section and scroll through all the apps you have. So go to the search bar and you type MMI startup screen. So you can pick what will show up on your screen when you start your car. So when you come into your car and you start engine, and you could pick what message you want to show on your car. So you can put A4 Quattro, it's what's given on the picture, or anything else. That's a welcome message. So the fifth adjustment is car apps, and you go to the search bar and you type seat belt warning. Well, I don't recommend you switch off your seatbelt like I did. Basically, what you can do instead is type, press that and choose USA. Seatbelt warning, repeat 6 times and stop. There's a lot more apps, a lot more adjustments. I will scroll down for you slowly so you can see all the other stuff you can pick from and adjust to your car. And most of those, not all, but most, are not in your cars. You can't adjust those in your car settings. Okay, they're not included. Of course, you can do those with different apps and devices. It doesn't have to be OBD11. I'm just using OBD11 just for the purpose of this video, but you can buy another device which will do the same. I think there are quite few out there. OBD11 is just for VW group cars, so if you have a different car, for example, I don't suggest you buy OBD11. I think they actually launched a new device that fits BMWs as well, but I haven't researched about this yet. So you could see there's so many things that you can adjust, and also if you go to workshop, you can reset a lot of the errors, it's like services. You can clear your issues with the car. For example, there is issue that, for example, your mirror is not working, your mirrors are, and the heating is not working. That will come up as an issue. You can clear that. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful for you to see what things you can do with your cars. And for those who didn't know, of course, there are a lot of you that already know this stuff. These are for the people that they don't know and they just want to see what they can do. Having one of those devices, and if you get your app, I know it's charging you, but there are things that dealer will charge you more if you get it to the garage. They can do it in your garage. If you take it to the dealer and say what you want, they can do it there, but they charge you a lot more than you can pay on these apps to do your own adjustments, things you like, sit in your car with your coffee comfortable and get your things done. This video is for people who want to know about these. I know there's many of you out there who say I already know everything. Of course, it's not new, it's not secret. So I will put a link down in the description from where I bought my OBD, and that's the cheapest version. You don't need anything more than this one. You don't need to pay more money for different device. This does the job just fine. Everything I need is there. Whatever you can do in my car, that's it. That's all I need. And also, you can save money that way, because there are many things you can make that requires to take it to a garage, like resetting a lot of the service stuff. Do you need to take it to the garage for service? But maybe for example, I've got a friend that he replaced the oil. He changed the oil of his car by himself, one of those pumps, take it from the hole on top of the engine and take it out, and he changed the oil, but the system keeps beeping to reset the inspection due. So that it's giving you flexibility. It's up to you what you want to do. I personally I only show you 5 things that you can do, 5 adjustments, just for an example. But if you're curious, you can just search on Google for all the things you can do. I scroll down through the app so you can see as well, but basically that's it. Yeah, so check out the links and see if any. I will put 3 links, okay, 3 links for 3 different devices that will do just fine. I've tested Audi 11 and I know the other 2 devices that I will show you in the links are also great for doing adjustment on your cars. That's it pretty much. So okay, thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe to this channel, that's okay. If you want to ask any questions about this device and things, I can show you personally. Just type in the comments, and if you want to know anything, type down in the comments below what you need to know, and I might make a little video just for you and send it over to you and show you what things you can do, because the app cannot work. If it's not connected, it will not give you access to any of the settings or adjustments. So you cannot see when you download the app. It needs to be connected to the car first. Okay, so stay tuned and have a great day.